Hey guys, Jason's Bricks here. Today I'll be talking to you a little bit about how I get all my Lego. So yeah, how do I get all this Lego? Well, it's really quite simple actually. I get it from a lot of places, and today I'm going to go in depth and talk a little bit about the techniques I use to getting the brick. Now, there's a lot of different ways that one can acquire such mass amounts of Lego, but you gotta be willing to do what it takes to get the brick, and that's something that not everyone has. So watch this video, see if you're the person up to do this type of stuff. If you are, great. You'll be able to get a lot of Lego. As you know, I have a decent amount of Lego. I'm pretty wise in the field. I even did a Lego deal on camera, something quite different than what I usually do to get my Lego. But I'm going to film everything I do, and I'm going to walk you through the processes. So, yeah, let's get into it. Alright guys, so the first, most easy step to finding Lego is simply just look around your room. Now I know what you're all thinking, oh Jason has bricks, you already have Lego in your room, so how can someone that doesn't have Lego in their room find Lego? Well, it's actually pretty simple. This is a common mishap between people that have lots of Lego and people that have very little Lego to no Lego at all. You simply just need to look in obscure places. You know, bins, pretty decent places to find Lego. Shelves, pretty decent places to find Lego. You don't know if someone that lived in the house before you stored Lego and maybe forgot it or something like that. So check closets, air ducts, stuff like that, obscure places. The number one most lost Lego spot actually is in couches and especially in beds. So let's just do a little look. I'm going to look under this mattress here. This is my bedroom, and we're going to see if we can find anything. Yes. Oh, look at this. This is Lego Scooby-Doo. That's pretty cool. That's a neat little Lego, and you as you just saw, the process seems to definitely work. So check places like that where maybe Lego could have fallen. You know, maybe someone was playing under the mattress with this Lego Scooby-Doo and it just got stuck there. But this is definitely a nice addition to the collection. So yeah, check obscure places. Alright guys, Jason is Bricks here. So it's late at night, it's pretty cold, but I'm in the woods, and yeah, so I'm coming down here. A nice, great place to find Lego is just out in the wild. So yeah, this is a great place to look. Fallen tree trunks, stuff like this. There's always obscure stuff. Let's see if there's anything good behind it. Oh, hello. This appears to be a Lego Maui from Moana. What a find right there. This is a big figure. He even has his accessory, his hook. So that's really cool. I'm going to keep that for sure. Let's keep walking. Yes, here's my rule of thumb behind stuff. I see something. Crap. That's just a rubber duck. That's nothing Lego related. What's that? I don't know if you could hear that, but it seems to be there's maybe a road near here. That's probably where I'm going to have to walk to after this. I walked pretty far into the woods. I'll take that duck with me. I don't want to litter or, you know, leave it out for animals to eat or something. Oh, crap. Oh, God. You got to be very careful in the woods. Oh, crap. I just hurt my arm pretty bad. Oh. I see something. I can spot the tip of the Eiffel Tower anywhere. That looks like Lego France. Wow. I don't know if you can, if the camera really gives it justice, but this is a complete Lego France. No box or instruction manual. That's a bummer. But still, this is the first set we found, so this is pretty incredible, actually. This is, yeah, this is nice. I've never had this set before, and this has got to be at least 8 inches tall for the Eiffel Tower. This is pretty cool. I guess, quick little review. It seems there's some printed pieces right here. That's pretty cool. Oh, there's another vehicle coming. Wherever the road is. I think it's, oh crap, I just broke this piece off. Now, it's very difficult placing the pieces back. But yeah, this is cool. I like this design of the tower thing here. I don't know the name of these places, I'm sorry. I'm not very fluent with Paris geography and the locations in the city. I know this is this like glass garden. I remember it from a movie called Day After Tomorrow. I remember they have to go there for something. I don't know the name of it. Something garden with glass. I don't know. But yeah, this is quite the find. Yeah. This is complete too. This is why it always pays to look anywhere in the woods. So I'm gonna go back to that road and yeah, I'm gonna go back to that road. Hopefully, I can get there in one piece. And I'm probably gonna hitchhike home. So yeah, Jason Does Bricks out. I'll talk to you in the next method. Okay, so the next step into finding good Lego is to simply use a service online. As you can see, I'm in incognito mode. I just don't want you to see stuff that could be potentially bad for my channel, like password stuff like that. But anyway, eBay is one of my favorite ones to use. If you don't know what eBay is, it's basically Amazon, except not as Amazon. There's a lot of really cool stuff on eBay that's different, a lot more, individualized stuff. But let's look up something like Lego Star Wars Lot. Now, Lego and Lot are the key terms here. You can find a lot of bigger stuff. You want to watch out for stuff like Lego bulk stuff like that. That is usually not good, simply because you'll find sellers that are trying to sell you large amounts of Lego. The sets down below here are a lot better. Stuff like that, bulk sets, but you want to really watch out for the bulk stuff. That will generally be pretty bad, as they're simply selling you a little bit from a large quantity of stuff that they've probably bought up, and these are simply just resellers. You don't want to find resellers on eBay. You're looking for stuff down here like this. You're looking for people simply just trying to get rid of stuff. That is probably easy to see in lower quality pictures. You want to be careful, though. You want to make sure you're buying from someone trustworthy. A lot of cool stuff down here, like this X-Wing lot, I definitely would look into. It looks cool. That is a decent price. Free shipping, buy it now. Those are the key terms that I usually look for when I'm buying on eBay, simply because it just means I can get it pretty fast, and I can probably get it for a pretty decent price. You want to watch out for, again, like the lots, like big lots, I mean, not like little lots. Little lots are nice. That's usually what I buy. Trying to get someone that maybe is selling their collection, stuff like that. You want to watch out for the added shipping price. It is not good, because that is how people get you by using that. You don't want added shipping. Next, I like to use Bricklink. Bricklink's pretty good for individual parts, minifigures, stuff like that. Minifigs, a lot of stuff, different choices, but let's check out the parts. I'm going to try to find 1x1 plate for my Jakku Mach, just as an example. So I'm going to go down here. Let's see if we can find it here. Yes, there it is. So I'm going to look. There's the part right there, first one. And we're going to find it in the color I need, so tan. Let's see. It's going to be down here. Yes, there it is. We're going to use tan. So as you can see, it shows you the prices. You can sort between price, quantity, stuff like that. I usually do quantity because I don't want to be buying little couple pieces. I want to be buying a bulk amount. But we also want to keep in mind that we can find it for a lower price. As you saw before, that was about 2 cents there. We're looking for something that is not crazy high, and that's something you got to watch out for the bulk ones. They're usually selling them for 6 cents, stuff like that. The whole point of Bricklink is buying the part cheaper than on Lego. Now, I like to personally buy from the U.S. as it's a much better experience. Buying from other countries can be a little risky sometimes, but as with anything. But I would definitely try to buy from Bricklink and from a U.S. seller. That's just my opinion. And yeah, it's pretty straightforward once you go from there. That's where you want to be buying from. But yeah, this is really it on Bricklink. It's great, and it's good for selling and buying pieces for individual pieces, that is, and sets. But yeah, thank you for watching this, and I will catch you guys in the next one. And yeah, keep tuned for more, and remember, smash that like and subscribe. See ya!